Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Anxious Kate. Oh, Tiri. My name is Kabir, and today we are going to my exam. It's like the unit test, as we say in India, and tomorrow we have the final exam. So, here the teacher who is taking this subject, na, it is urology, and like the teacher is pretty funny and like he is one of his kind, यार. I mean, मैं क्या ही बताऊँ, वो बहुत ही he is like a completely new personality for me. So we will meet him, and then I have planned to do something stupid, crazy again. So yeah, this should be a long day. तो देखते हैं what's coming our way. But till the time we reach Koshkar Paiva, let's cut the chase. And मेरी बस आ गई. So the exam is done and it's time for a break. The moment I entered the building, so the exam was about to start. So obviously I could not record anything at that time, but now it's time for break. But before that, let me show you a paradox. Now if you look here, यहाँ पे it's already mentioned that it is a toilet and it is mentioned that it is a no smoking zone. But the moment you step inside, okay, let's step inside this washroom. Bhai, this place is full of smoke. Matlab, this is a hub of smoke. You cannot breathe inside properly. So this is our mess, yeah, canteen, say whatever you want. Let me get one cup and one spoon. That's all I need. Baki, I have my stuff. And you have a lot of things, and most of them are non-vegetarian. And this long queue. Uske baad, like you have all those refrigerators with all the kinds of, different apna beverages. But our goal is to get some 40 ml of water. Apne paas poha hai. I think this must be 40 ml. So I think I found a table. No. So the class is over, and I asked the teacher that, sir, let's make a small part of my vlog together, but he declined. He was like, oh, I'm shy. Yeah, that person cannot be shy. The way he acts, the way, he explains the things, and the way he has a conversation with everyone around. I don't know why is he calling himself shy, but this is the wrath of snow. Huh. Now it is in wide angle. Ye dekho. The entire bench is covered in snow. Although that area is in higher ground, but still, this entire place is filled with snow. Or, abhi aage dekho. Snow, 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 snow. And zoom in, zoom in. That entire railing is, covered with snow. Ab agar I go a bit more forward, I think you can see it clearly now. And this railing should be around 4 feet tall. So now I think you can see the wrath of snow. Ab, what's the plan now? See, now that stupid, crazy thing starts. I think there's a cafe, its name is Nanduk. So yeah, that Nanduk cafe is offering, pata nahi, 50% off, yeah, like free beverages to students on Tuesdays, and today is Tuesday. So I'm like, let's go to that place. But वो बहुत ही दूर है. Like if I'm here, वो यहाँ से पता नहीं बस घूमते it is over here kindly. हाँ. So it is over here. So this is going to be a long journey, which you will see in maybe 30 seconds. And let's start that journey. Nice. So I'm not left with saying anything but better late than never, because from the previous footage to this one, it has already been 30 minutes. I had to take bus number 47 and it arrived. अरे यार आंटी, vlog मत बनाने दो आप. In some buses, यार, this announcement system is so damn good, and in others it sucks. And then we have buses like these when it blares in our ears. But yeah, what was I saying? I don't have any option to say better late than never. 47 came 30 minutes after that previous footage, and now we are heading towards that place. Kya naam hai uska? What was the name? What was that? Nanda, something like that. And we are heading towards that place. Let's go. We have deboarded the bus. It was like around 45 minute journey, but it was nice, it was fine, and I got a seat. And by the way, when I deboarded the bus, if you remember this place, then you are a legend. I know most of you won't remember it, but this is the same place where I watched Ramayana. Yes, there was an enactment of Ramayana by the locals, and I watched it here and I vlogged it. That vlog did not work out. Damn it. I'm having congestion and I'm going to have iced tea in a while. But like that vlog actually did not work out. I don't know why. But it is in the description if you want to watch it. And this was that place where I, watched Ramayana. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, with frozen hands, we are outside Nanduk, and let's see if we can get the student discount or not. I think we should. Abhi khul ja. Tight cafe, but okay. And completely empty cafe. I hope the student discount is not, just to dispose of the leftovers they have. But bhais kya? Oh, chalo theek hai, find someone out here. First impression, it is like a decent looking cafe, and I'm not a big fan of Korean culture. So if you are fan of Korean culture and all those kind of things, then I think you would be appreciate this place better. But abhi ke liye kya scene hai ki like this scheme was for like if you buy something and then you'll get something for free, like drinks are free. If you're getting a bubble tea, then it is for 50% off. So what I've done is कि यार भूख तो लगी रही थी, so I've got this vegetable mix 8 pieces. It is for 13.90. मोटा मोटा आपका 250 rupees. और it's they are saying कि यार it will be like sushi. तो I'm like ठीक है कोई नहीं. उसके साथ I'm thinking यार अगर कुछ लेना ही है तो सबसे महंगा वाला लो. यहाँ पे सबसे महंगा you have like 8.90 or 16.90. I'm like ये ले लेते हैं यार. Iced tea blooming sakura. ये थोड़ा better लग रहा है. महंगा भी है एंड कुछ नया भी है. सो या दिस इज़ द प्लान राइट नाउ. उसके बाद देखते हैं यार और भी कुछ चीज़ें आ रही है दिमाग में. आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ अ लॉट मोर अदर थिंग्स टू डू टुडे. तो देखते हैं व्हाट एल्स कैन वी डू. चलाओ। मौत का पैगाम मैंने पैसे देकर वापस ले लिया दोस्तों। आई हैव गॉट द fruit of death again in front of me. This is the sushi, and like I enjoy sushi. That's not a problem. You have that red thing. I don't know what is it. If you know what do we call this red thing, please let me know. And then we have this green sauce as well. And I came for this thing. This is complimentary, some sakura drink, and then this is the main thing of death. I don't know how to use these chopsticks. Like, and okay, yeah, this is fine. This is a big straw, and this must be soya sauce. Okay, yeah, that's fine. But chopsticks still remains the biggest issue, and these red and green things. By the way, if you look at this sushi, 8 pieces, and on a closer look, I can see rice is there. This is like sushi paper, rice paper. I don't know what do we call it. You have gurke. Yeah, that is in German. Gurke means like cucumbers in English. Then I think this must be tomato, and this is bell pepper. अब इतना पैसा दिया तो I am not removing any tomato, although I hate tomato, but with this amount of money I am not removing. I have to gulp it down. Okay, so bon appetit to me. Cheers. उधर आंटी बैठी है. Cheers. Time to taste this tea. I have already put the straw inside. That's gross. Yeah, you have something out here, और वो it is easily coming through this big straw. But by the ठंडाई है यार ये. Like this is the typical ठंडाई which we get in India. That rose वाला ठंडाई, So I didn't know Sakura and ठंडाई are brother sisters. Now it's time for this thing. I mean chopsticks. I've got this tissue paper on this other end, that proximal end in medicine, as we say, and hey Bhagwan. Got it. Green sauce. ज़्यादा लगती ग्रीन सॉस है. सोया सॉस तो खुद ही नहीं. खुद एक हाथ से सोया सॉस खुद नहीं. Dipped it in soya sauce and and I'm not using that chopsticks. If you can teach me how to use it, I would be grateful, and I'll make another video out of it. But abhi ke liye I'm using my hand. Sharbat again. Sharbat actually it is good. Then is a lemonade you can, but it is like that desi apna sharbat.
A few moments later.
Why the hell do I put myself in these kind of situations यार? क्यों? भाई पैसे दे के ये हाल करवाया मैंने अपना. Oh man, this is crazy. I don't know how people like the यार ये tissue box. I have removed it. हर चीज को कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्यों बना देते हैं ये लोग? क्या टिश्यू भी इतने छोटे थे, इतना सा टिश्यू है, क्या करूं मैं इसका? All right, so that was Nanduk for you guys, but the vlog is not over. I don't know यार, I'm feeling that let's cover another place, और वहाँ पे अपन खाएंगे शवरमा. So शवरमा place is our next destination, और अभी के लिए let's raid Nanduk. Ambience wise it is a 4 on 5. Like it is a nice place here, like you can sit and you can chill. I don't know if they have Wi-Fi or not, I didn't check that. उसके अलावा washroom यार, washroom at any place from my perspective defines who you are. So like it is one of the main criteria by which I judge someone. So like the washroom here was a 3.5 on 5. Cleanliness does matter, but it is not the only thing which matters. A lot of other factors matter too. So 3.5 on washroom. Hospitality wise, it is a nice 4. Food, yeah, I don't know if there is something called a good sushi, especially when it comes to a veg sushi. So it was a nice sushi. Like I've had a veg sushi before at Shawarma Foods. You have watched that video, I'm hoping. So, like it was a nice. Maybe we can give it a 4 on 5. And yeah, I mean, if you want to come to Nanduk, you can come. I can suggest here it is like a one-time visit to this place. And if you're a non-vegetarian, you are up for a treat. They have a lot of options, just like other places in Kazakhstan. So, now let's go to a shawarma place. I have been there before. That has been covered in one of my vlogs before as well. But koi na, it will get covered this time as well. Chalo yaar, let's see what is there in store for us. And after a walk of around 5 to 7 minutes, we are finally outside Lavash Foods, baby. Yeah, I hope they have not changed their menu, because Shawarma Foods did, and now they did not have any vegetarian item. But Shawarma Food pe abhi bhi apna hope hai. I'm hoping that they have some vegetarian food items. Let's go inside and check it out. Lavash Foods does not disappoint. I came here, I checked out their menu, and the cheapest thing which I found on their menu was lavash, which was vegetarian. Yes, I'm having a vegetarian lavash now. और I've ordered it without tomatoes. बार-बार tomatoes नहीं हो सकते यार. Like I've had tomatoes for once today in that sushi. I don't know if it was tomatoes or bell pepper, but whatever be the case, I'm not having tomatoes this time. But okay, let's wait for the lavash and I'll come back to you again. Come back तो होता रहेगा, बाकी इधर आओ यार. Let's check out this place. So, well, pretty good here. Like if we compare it with that Nanduk से तो definitely better vibe है. You have a lot more people, और like उस पूरे area में you have a completely different setting. और let's go to the washroom here. Let's judge the washroom now itself. Washroom छोड़ो एक बार के लिए. You have this proper children's play area यार. So by the time your food comes, your children, if you have any, so they can stay entertained out here. So that's pretty cool, yeah. That's nice arrangement. Not everyone does that. Or this is the washroom. First impression, बहुत तेज background music. I cannot speak completely. I can't speak properly. But other than that, the washroom looks fine. बाद में अगर use करेंगे तो पता चल जाएगा. For once, if we have a look inside, nice smell आ रही है. It is smelly. Not too much smelly, but yes, it is smelly. So, अरे यार uncle. तो अरे हाँ, this is one amazing thing. This is like hand dryer, and it is one of its kind hand dryers which you don't find everywhere in Kazakhstan. So like the hand dryer is definitely a plus, but overall vibe, it is again a 3 out of 5. I am very much strict with the washroom. All right, so our shawarma is here, and I had told them that don't add tomatoes. I hope they haven't. And yeah, this time one change which I'm observing is they have put a cost to Tabasco and other sauces which they used to offer in a complimentary way. So that's something I'm not able to appreciate. बाकी उसके अलावा so far so good. Let's try the shawarma यार. I'm not much hungry, but I wanted to try this again. From Lavash Foods to bus, and the bus is crowded. I just got a seat. Or let's rate Lavash Foods also. As I said about the washroom, it is a 3.5 on 5. Food disappointing. Yeah, it was disappointing because these guys don't put even salt in their food, and like that salt dispensing machine which they had kept on the table was not working at all. So a Tabasco would have been appreciated on the table, but it was not there. So maybe 3 on 5. But yes, it was appetizing, and my stomach is full now with that sushi and now that lavash. But I mean, I would have appreciated better. But ठीक है, hospitality wise this was certainly better. Ambience definitely better. Both will get around 4.5 out of 5 from me. उसके अलावा this is the end of the vlog, by the way. Song recommendation is Happy Now, which is by Kaigu. So I'll see you in the next one whenever it comes. This year the frequency of vlogs will be less. If you have been following my vlogs, you already know that it is very less, and I don't know, but the strand of hair is very irritating on the camera. But yeah, that is it. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and take care.